Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the Quantum One, the USB sound card, and any cables. This saves time later. Plug the USB sound card into a USB 3.0 port that ensures bandwidth and stable power. Next, attach the headset to the sound card using the detachable 3.5 cable or the provided USB cable, depending on your model. This initializes the DAC and the microphone path. Once done, power on the headset and watch for LED confirmation, because a proper connection prevents later audio dropouts. Install JBL Quantum Engine to get firmware updates and full feature controls. The app exposes EQ, mic gain, and 7.1 surround toggles. In Windows sound settings, select Quantum One as default playback and recording. Otherwise, apps will use onboard audio. Open Quantum Engine and update firmware first, then set sample rate to 48 kHz for gaming consistency. Adjust mic gain while speaking to reach -12 dB average. Finally, enable virtual 7.1 and head tracking so spatial audio. Now fine-tune EQ and side tone to match your voice and game profile. You want clarity without harsh highs, so reduce frequencies around 2.4 kHz if they bite. Test in a multiplayer match or sound test map. Adjust left-right balance and head tracking sensitivity so cues match visuals. If you encounter no audio, latency, or microphone dropouts, first reboot the sound card and replug USB into another port. Then reinstall Quantum Engine and firmware. This usually resolves driver or power negotiation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.